Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on topographical map. Dear students, in the last video lecture, we have learned about grid system and area by the grid system, direct methods and indirect methods to find the distance on the topographical map. If you don't have knowledge, go through my last video and you have get better solution for this topographical sheet grid system. Dear students, it is your question. It is very difficult to understand for you of easting and northing. So before I am going to start this class, first 2 minutes I want to discuss easting and northing. Dear students, this is topographical map. Okay, so as I told you in that video, vertical line. This is vertical line. This is called easting. Okay, and this is horizontal line. This is 25 is written here. This is horizontal line is northing. So start from here. Easting 6 7 is easting and 2 4 is northing. Okay, and 6 7 is from here to here. Between 6 7 exists 67 to 68, between 67 and 68. Okay, now 68 and 69 we have 68 here. From 68 to 69 we have all this area is 68 easting. Okay, and about northing, this is 24, 24, entire area is 24, like that 26, 20, sorry, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, last one is 27. That means apart from this nothing is here. That means 27 is all about this topographical map. 28 is not exist in this map. Okay, like that easting is 67, 68, 69, 70, not 71. 71 is the last point, is not counting. Okay, so this is 4 figure grid reference. If any, and this square grid is divided into equal square. Okay, so this square is divided into 10 parts and each parts is divided. If 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer, that means 2 units of scale is divided into 2 SD equal to 1 unit, like that. Okay, so 10 parts divided this and 10 easting and 10 parts northing. So when you go through, suppose uh, any area, spot height 142725. So we have to decide counting from here 6 9 and sect this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that 10. So this is almost 9. If you have ruler you can easily find it out. Okay, so 699 is 6 figure grid reference of easting. And what about northing? Northing is from here 2 5 2 5. If northing, you can 1 2 3 4, almost 4 here. So 699254 is 6 figure grid reference. I hope this makes sense and you understood well. Dear students, now we are going to our topic. What is our topic? Today's topic is very important again because we are going to discuss directions. Dear students, quite often than not in your examination, this is trend of a few years, that sorts of question will be asked in your examination. What is the direction from here to here, from Malegaon to Jalgaon, Goregaon, like that. So you have to find the directions of exact directions. So today's topic is to find it out direction on topographical map. What is the directions? So dear students, now we are going to discuss all about directions. As you know that in the simply you define in your daily way, there is the four directions. All that direction is the cardinal direction. As you have already understood about coordinate geometry, we have four coordinates, sorry, two coordinate section y and four quadrant. So like that, north, south, west, east, we have four cardinal points of directions. All these four directions are situated at 90 degree, that means right angle, as you have easily understood. Now you divide this 90 into equal parts, that means 45, 45, 45. So this angle, this four direction immediate change into eight direction, that means this is northeast, this is 45 degree northeast direction. Dear students, do you understand? And you have to understood well, understand that northeast direction 45 degree. Definitely you find directions in the clockwise manner on the topographical sheet. So like this, you have northwest direction, southeast direction, southwest direction, like that. Okay. Now you have idea of that northeast, southwest, northwest, northeast, like that, subdivided into eight parts. Now this 45-degree angle can also be divided into half of the 45 is 22 and half degree. That means 22 degree and 30 minutes angle. Dear students, this 8 directions can be divided into 16 directions. Now have a look. This one. So dear, this north is divided into north, northeast. That means now this is the origin, and you can divide this part north, and northeast is divided into north, northeast. Okay. So keep in mind. Wait, I have something for you. Look at this. In this model, we have directions, 16 direction, and this is ruler. And this is, with the help of this, you can easily find your 4-figure and 6-figure grid reference. So dear students, like that, you can easily divide it. Now, angle of the directions. As you easily understand that all the cardinal direction is divided into 90 degree. When you divided north to south point, it is 180 degree. When opposite to this direction, when northwest, the clockwise direction of this is 270. That means what we have, this is, if you draw all the, meet all the lines, all the angles, it is 360 degree. Okay. So this 360 degree can be divided, and you can less 360 minus 90. This is 270, and 270 what? Clockwise directions. Okay. Without degree, we can't find exact direction of any places. So bearings is also very useful thing to draw topographical map and find the directions of topographical map. Bearing gives angular directions of a point on a map from any points of reference. In your topographical map, if you have knowledge about certain degree, look at this. In this whole round, we have degree solution. From 0 degree to move from 0 to 0, here it is 360 degree. And if you put this sheet, this prototype of a scale of topographical map on your topographical map, direction can be easily find it out. Okay. So, dear students, look at this. Suppose this is your point of direction. You have to find it out from A to B. What is the direction exactly? So 80 degree. What? 80 degree. From 80 degree. This is all about 90. So this is east direction. So what is this direction? Here is northeast. So northeast, east. This is the exact directions. And degree is 80. Okay. So this is all about directions. I hope it is clear. Any doubt, any queries, just write down in a comment box in your real name. It is very good. But if you want to anonymous in your YouTube account, it is okay. But I hope it is clear. If any doubt and query come in my classroom, that is Google Classroom, and with the help of the chat you can easily understand all the things. And if you want to find any solution through YouTube, just put a comment. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much for watching.